Give me your money. I told you, give me your money. Give me your money. You're staring at me?
Hello. Here at Auga Viva, we like animals, especially ones that don't make noises. But we do like pink elephants. Don't worry, no real bullets were used, because we like to use oxygen bullets. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew.
I'm so special, I'm glowing. I made a new YouTube channel. It's called Auga Viva. I already made a new video. Hope you like what you're gonna see next. Or else.
I injured my voice while fighting a giraffe. Yeah? It was on water, on Jupiter. I was eating a pizza. I'm gonna show you how to cut big trees using nuts. I told you what we're doing. Now watch. Let's hope we don't hurt anybody. I told you. We're going big with this. One last final blow. Now let's just wait. Good morning. Oh. You saw that? That's how you break a tree. Using nuts.